Hi everyone, and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So we're continuing in our vegan pizza series, and today we're making an Alfredo pizza with caramelized onions and mushrooms. So to begin with the Alfredo sauce, we're going to mince some garlic. Next, in our blender, we're going to add some raw cashew that I've boiled for about 15 minutes to soften, along with some water. When everything is blended, you'll notice that it's extremely creamy, and that's exactly what we want. Next, in a saucepan on medium heat, add some olive oil, and we're going to stir in our garlic for a minute or so. Then add some Herbes de Provence, some dried parsley, then pour in your cashews cream, followed with some soy milk. Well, let's give everything a stir and start seasoning, starting with some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a generous amount of nutritional yeast. And really, that's it. This sauce cannot be any easier. All that's left to do is stir for the seasoning to incorporate and let everything simmer for a few minutes until it thickens, like so. And our Alfredo sauce is ready, and it smells delicious. Next, we're going to thinly slice our onions and rinse out our mushrooms. Here I'm going for golden shiitake mushrooms. And in a large skillet, add some olive oil. And let's caramelize our onions. So you want to separate the onions as much as you can. Add some salt and a dash of liquid aminos or soy sauce. And the goal is to speed up the caramelization. And I don't want them to completely darken because they're going to cook some more in the oven with the pizza. So we're going to remove them right now. Using the same skillet, add some more oil and let's saute the mushrooms. Again, we can season them with some salt and pepper and dry parsley. Stir and let the mushrooms sweat out the water completely. And they're ready. Now let's assemble the pizza. Let's flour our working surface and spread out our dough. And I've shown you this technique before on my pizza dough recipe, where I alternate between spreading the dough with my fingers and using my 2 thumbs to roll it out and create a crease, like so. The dough is ready, and we can transfer it to a pizza sheet covered with some cornmeal. Let's add our creamy Alfredo sauce. Spread it out. Follow with our mushrooms. The fried onions. And some pepper jack vegan cheese. Now I like to run a vegan egg wash around the edges of the pizza, and this is just some soy milk and sugar, and it's gonna give us that perfect browning. Pop the pizza in the oven at 500 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, and it should look something like this. You'll see that the crust has this perfect golden brown color. It's slightly crunchy on the outside, and it has that chewiness that we all love in a pizza. The caramelized onions and mushroom complement the Alfredo sauce so well. This is definitely one of my favorite pizza. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it helpful. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the description box below the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, as always, have a blessed one.